Hello guys, it's me Junaid Iqbal and you are watching Techy YouTube channel. If you have forgot the password of your Instagram account and want to recover your Instagram account, you are at the right place. Let's jump into the video and recover your Instagram account. For doing so, first you have to click on your Instagram application. Then you have to click on the profile icon. Here you have to click on your username and click on add another account. Here you have to click on login to existing account to log in your Instagram account. Here if you can see your account you want to log in, you can directly click on it. But if in the case if you are not seeing your Google account, then click on the switch account button. Here you can click on next button to find your account. But if you are not sure about the Gmail address, you can add your username. If you have forgot your username, also you can open your friend's Instagram and search your profile and get your username. I am adding my username. After adding username, click on next button. Then Instagram will give you some options to verify yourself. I am clicking on send an email. This option will send an email on my email that was connected to this profile. You can also click on send an SMS and Instagram will send you an SMS on the number that was connected to this profile, and you can click on login with Facebook to verify yourself also. So I am clicking on send an email and click on OK. Let's wait for some time. Then go to mail. Here you can see that Instagram has sent me a button to reset my password. So I will click on it. I will create a new password. After this, as you can see that I have recovered my Instagram account. If this video helped you, please click on the like button. Consider subscribing the channel. That's it for today's video. It's me Junaid Iqbal signing out.